Hey, what's up guys? Jake here with Success Motors. Yes, I got a video for you guys today. A beautiful 2018 Ford F250 King Ranch Ultimate. Guys, I'll cut to the chase. This is a very, very nice truck with some really tasteful modifications done to it. You're gonna definitely wanna watch this video until its end, especially if you're interested in buying this truck. Now, I do film these videos. They're no more than 15 minutes. This one might even be shorter because it's a really hot day down here in Texas. But I film these videos so that I can tell you about the history. We'll walk through the CarFax. We'll walk through the window sticker. That way, if you're not in town, you know whether it's worth your time to come down here, fly down here, what have you. Now, we do actually offer the ability to ship nationally, so I'm going to try to be as detailed as possible. So if you can't come, then hopefully this will show you everything you need to see. But I do always recommend come to College Station, put your hands on the truck, send a mechanic, do whatever you'd like to do. But guys, let me get out of the way and show you around this truck. Now again, it is 2 o'clock on a Texas day. Texas summer day. It's very hot, so I'm going to try to be a little bit quicker than usual on this video than I am with like our older vehicles, which is easier to do anyway because there's not as much to show you. But guys, this is a 2018 Ford F250 King Ranch Ultimate FX4 package. Guys, this truck is loaded to the gills. I'll show you the window sticker here in a minute, as well as it is on our website, successmotors.net, where you can see the CarFax and the window sticker for yourself. But guys, it's a two-owner, serviced meticulously. I can't wait to show you the CarFax because all that is documented on CarFax. No accident history, no damage history reported to CarFax. And again, guys, it's a southern truck, so no rust. The frame is exceptional. Guys, don't buy trucks from up north because even if they're new trucks and they've been up north, they're going to have some rust on them. This is a true southern truck, no accidents, two owners, no drama, no nothing. Guys, it's a very, very nice truck. Couple tasteful modifications. I believe this is the 2.5-inch BDS level. It could be the 4-inch lift in level, but I'm pretty sure it's the BDS 2.5-inch level with full-blown BDS radius arms. You can see that there. And this guy is running the Fox Reservoir shocks on the front and Fox 2.0s on the rear. But you can see frame is super clean. Radius arms look great. And then we are running a set of, I believe this is a 22x12 fuel wheel in great shape, looks cool. And a brand spanking new set of 37x13.5-inch mud terrain tires. That's a 37, 13.5, 22. Painted to match fender flares, look super cool. What else? We've got the custom fabbed front bumper. The brand is M1A2. Front bumper with integrated, you can see it has an integrated light bar down here. It has the integrated lights in the middle, and it does have the running lights, and it maintains your front camera, FYI. And then it also has the same matching rear bumper in the back, M1A2 with some lights. All the lights are integrated into the auxiliary switches, so the truck is epic. The truck is mechanically mostly stock. It does have I think it's Banks, but it has an exhaust. It does have AFE intake. I'll show you that under the hood in a minute. And it's got some cool, just aftermarket piping that makes it look pretty cool. But it is stock emissions. I repeat, it is stock emissions, not deleted, not tuned. All right. Again, forgive me going kind of quick, but guys, this truck is super clean. Of course, you've got your memory seats. This is the King Ranch, and it does have the factory carpets, King Ranch Ultimate. So you've got your massaging seats. You have very little wear on these seats. No big flaws right here. Side bolstering looks good. Interior is very clean on this truck. Just FYI, this truck, I have personally driven this truck probably 500 miles. I drove it daily for a couple of weeks. I've actually had this truck for about 2 or 3 months. And this truck did go through a pre-service inspection before we bought it. And it did get serviced at our mechanic. And they went through, and this truck is excellent. It needed an MAP sensor on the emissions, or the DPF. And then it got an oil change, it got new batteries, got a new fuel filter. Guys, this truck is ready to rock and roll. But anyway, I just wanted to say it has been inspected, it has been looked over, and guys, this truck is ready to rock. Back seats are great. As the case with most of these trucks, they don't usually get sat in the back. And you got your carpets, which look good. You got your original mats. Coming back here, all the trims and everything are in great shape. Oh, this one does have an aftermarket Kenwood head unit, by the way, which was done actually here in town in College Station at a place called Mobile Toys, which they are world renowned. You can look them up. They do $100,000 sound systems all day, and they put a new Kenwood unit in this truck, and they said it was far and beyond better than the factory head unit. It even maintains some cool gauges. You can check your tire pressure, some things that the stock unit didn't have. So that's kind of cool. And then it's wired up for amps and wired up for subs, just FYI. But interior cleanliness is perfect. I'm saying this thing is a good 9.5 out of 10, maybe a 10 out of 10 from an interior perspective. No wear, no tear, or nothing extreme anyway. I mean, it does have a few little just marks here and there, but guys, this is actually exceptionally clean. Again, this one does have the auxiliary switches, it does have the massaging seats, and this one does have your original owner's manual and whatnot in there. Boom, beautiful. All right, gonna be kind of quick here with the exterior tour, guys. This one does have the tri-metallic, so beautiful sunny day, so you can see it's reflective and shimmering. Guys, this is a gorgeous paint color, painted to match fender flares. Again, going kind of quick because it's hot and I'm afraid my GoPro is gonna turn off. You got your Resi shocks. This one does have a very nice setup there with a Fox shock for the steering stabilizer, so the steering is tight. Fuel wheels all around, new tires all around. These tires were put on yesterday, I think. They've got no miles on them. King Ranch F250, no cracks in the windshield. You got your shorty stub antenna. I mean, clean, guys. This is the color and the combo to have with the black wheels. This one does, again, this one's loaded, so it's got your mirrors or your cameras and your lights mounted to your mirrors. Interestingly, these guys are not broken, and it does have your Chimsel mounted camera. So no dents, no dings, and no scratches so far on this side of the truck. Of course, it has the power deployable steps. Again, I'm sorry, I'm talking so fast. It is hot, although we do have a little reprieve right now as the sun went behind a cloud. It does have your blind spot monitoring system. Again, this truck is stock emissions, but it does have an aftermarket exhaust system with a black tip, and Fox 2.0s, like I said, in the rear. Frame is super clean. Everything looks real nice down there. I'll show it to you here in a minute, but on the CarFax, it shows the brakes were all just redone prior to my ownership, but about 20,000 miles ago. It's had the transmission service, it's had all the differentials serviced. And guys, this thing doesn't look like it's ever towed anything. I don't see any marks where there would be safety chains or nothing on that truck. I don't believe this truck has done anything. It's got that M1A2 bumper, still maintains your sensors, and it does have your integrated lights in the back. This one does have, of course, backup camera, and it does have your step, and then your bed looks super clean. King Ranch, no flaws. I don't think we've seen even a scratch yet, guys. This truck is, I mean, I'm telling you, it's stellar. This is a nice truck. It does still have a spare tire, which is good. I sold the one recently, it didn't have a spare, and the people, or at least they came down here and they were disappointed about it having a spare. So this one does have a spare. I'll try to start notating if they have spares or not. This one does have a spare. Not a dent, not a ding, not a scratch we have seen so far. Boom. I mean, nothing, guys. We haven't seen anything. Again, 979-202-1948 if you have any questions or you want to come down and look at this truck or buy this truck. So these are Bushwhacker matching fender flares. So guys, we didn't see a single dent, a single ding, a single scratch on this truck. Even look, there's no rock chips on the hood. The hood's in great shape, no cracks in the windshield, and your paint's in great shape. It does have your running lights, which is cool. And then that bumper is pretty cool. Those lights there are cool. They're all integrated into the auxiliary switches. I think I'm just gonna hop in here and start it. Get the AC going for a minute. And then we'll run through the CarFax and whatnot. So again, I have been driving this truck up until I think yesterday, and because the truck that I was driving was I sold it. So we drove this truck here for a couple of weeks. But anyway, let me show you now the CarFax. This CarFax is on our website. So if you go to successmotors.net, you're going to see it just going to pick up with the second owner. So the second owner had it since 2020. It's a 2-owner truck. You can see it's been really well maintained. I'm going to fly through this until we get to the latter stuff, because this was still a few years ago. The last owner had it for 6 years. Magnolia, Texas, which isn't too far from here. But here you go, at 71,000 miles in 2024, it had a full brake fluid flush. It had new pads and rotors front and rear. So that was 24,000 miles ago, guys. This truck does have 96,000 miles on it. I don't remember if I've said that or not. At 76,000 miles, so 20,000 miles ago, it had all the differential fluids flushed, front and rear, I should say, and the transfer case. And then I know it had the transmission flushed and the coolant flushed at 85,000 miles. Oil changed regularly, fuel filters changed regularly. And then that's us here. So like I said, we needed to do a MAP sensor, and then we replaced the air filter, and then did a few other things as well. Oh, and then the window sticker, which is also on the CarFax. Again, if you're still watching, you're interested. So I don't film these videos for entertainment. I film them for effectiveness. Window sticker. Forgive my sweaty leg. So yeah, right here, again, this is on the website. If you click on CarFax, you can click the link to the window sticker. This is the white premium tri-coat 6-speed transmission. A lot of people like the 2017 to 2019 Fords because they still have this 6-speed transmission. 355 electronic locking rear axle, FX4 package, 10,000 GVWR package, engine block heater, upfitter switches, King Ranch Ultimate package. This one does have your quad beam headlamps, and then it has the tow technology bundle, which comes with adaptive steering, as well as the adaptive cruise, I believe. So again, no check engine lights, no engine lights at all. Actually, let's see what the hours are like on this thing. So we've got 3,900 engine hours, almost 4,000, and 1,100 engine idle hours. So the percentage is right where you want it to be. So that's perfect. No check engine lights, no ABS lights, no none of that. All of your electronics work, by the way. I'm not going to go through and show it because it's a new truck, but your windows do work and your mirrors do work. You got your stereo. Like I said, this is actually kind of cool. So it has better functionality than the stock unit, and apparently, like if the truck had check engine lights or codes, you can actually check all of that right here on this, which is cool. You can see the tire pressure on there, and again, if the truck did have a code or something, you can actually apparently use this to see what it is. So that looks really cool. Does have heated and cooled seats, of course. What else? I think I already showed you all from a condition perspective. Oh, and then, by the way, it does have a CD player, which is cool. All right, let me show you under the hood, then we'll drive it, and then we'll call it a video. So, like I mentioned, it does actually have some aftermarket goodies. It does have the AFE cold air intake, which is cool. We just cleaned that air filter, by the way. It does have some different piping, which I think just looks cool. It does have 2 brand new batteries, and then it sounds great. And again, because it's stock emissions, it's pretty quiet. All right, let's take this thing for a test drive. You guys, like I said, if you have any questions, give me a call, 979-202-1948. But really, really exceptional truck. Very clean inside and very clean outside. And some very tasteful modifications, at least in my opinion. Let's make sure the air conditioner is blowing on the GoPro so it does not turn off. Shift lever feels like you would expect. Again, really nice truck. Super, super nice. I've enjoyed my time driving this truck. Nothing weird about it, just a solid, nice truck. Windshield is an original Ford windshield, by the way, so I don't know if it's ever been replaced, but if it has, it's not aftermarket. So transmission, couldn't love the 6-speed more than I do. 6-speed transmission is fantastic. We're already up in the 3rd gear. AC's blowing cold, 4th. Steering is very tight, very compliant, especially if you've watched my videos. You know this is kind of a grooved out old country road. And these are 13.5-inch wide tires, but nonetheless, you can see the steering wheel is not all over the place. I'm holding it with one hand. 5th gear, 55 miles an hour. No check engine lights or anything. AC's blowing cold. No weird sounds, no weird smells. Very clean interior, guys. I'm calling this for an 8-year-old truck, a 10 out of 10 on the interior. 6th gear, 1,500 RPMs, 60 miles an hour. And I wouldn't hesitate to call it a 10 out of 10 on the exterior too. We didn't see any dents, dings, or scratches. And then the CarFax is phenomenal. History is great. This is exactly what you're looking for, guys. If you're looking for a used truck, it doesn't get any better than this. It hasn't spent any time up north. It's got some tasteful modifications that would cost probably $10,000, $15,000 to do if you were going to buy a truck and do them yourself. Low miles for the year. Still has the 6-speed transmission. Guys, it's hard to get better than this for a used truck. Keep the video going just a few minutes longer or moments longer to get on the brakes. Just confirm there's no weird feedback at the brake pedal. But you can see the steering wheel is just set straight. Blinker works on the brake pedal right now. There's no feedback in the brake pedal. Again, they were replaced 22,000 miles ago. Steering wheel did not jerk either direction. Just went over a rumble strip, but that was drama-free. $96,047.3 miles. And AC is blowing ice cold. Well, there you have it. Excellent truck, guys. Again, from the driver's seat, from my perspective, and I have more seat time in this one than I usually do. This truck is very nice, very clean. Interior is phenomenal. It's not going to disappoint you. Interior or exterior is very clean as well. Drives great, great history, just serviced. It doesn't need anything. Tires are good to go. Like, this is a true buy today, drive today. Hopefully no worries or hassles for a long time. If you have any questions, give me a call. Otherwise, God bless you, and I'll talk to you very soon.